Okay, let me show you this world map. So if you were born in these red colored countries, that means no matter you are violin or not, English is your mandatory subject. And let me tell you one thing that the map doesn't show you is if you were in this map which is in this circled area, that means you get A or be a loser. As you probably know, Asia nowadays is not just an ethnic group, it's already become a standard. But there is an interesting result is in this global ranking English proficiency in non-English speaking countries. South Korea ranked 49, China ranked 82, and following by the 87th Japan. Well, I don't know what do you think about this result, but for me, I think it's super awkward because we study really hard, but I just re-ranked as low proficiency ranked. So, wow.
I will send you to Jesus.
As a pure Asian, I'm sorry I never get A in English subject. I studied English for 12 years and somebody even more. But today, I'm not going to say the failure of our education system. The thing I want to tell you in this video is you just haven't unlocked your needs in Maslow's hierarchy in language learning. I just realized that after I graduated from uni, when I was at school, what I learned is more regarding how to get a good score in English in this subject instead of study this language itself. At least, it satisfied my two needs of learning English, which refers to Maslow's hierarchy of psychological needs and safety needs. These two stages refers to the fundamentals of learning language. One benefit of these things is you don't need to think too much about goals, about how I studied English, because the school is already gave you the goal, which is aim to pass the exam. So after that, learning grammars, memorize the vocabularies, and how to make a sentence and all of this stuff as a bottom line to make sure you pass the exam. You have to graduate it to get a degree. However, I just stuck in this stage for 10 years and I still can't open my mouth and speak confidently in this language because I don't have any needs to talk in language because the exam doesn't test me how to speak well in English. If I call these two stages passive learning, active learning is the third stage of needs, social belongingness. Think about it. Does your school give any opportunity or platform to give you a social connection or give you a sense of belonging in a community in your target language? If not, actually you can find yourself. There are many people are learning the same language like you, but it doesn't mean everyone have the same interests like you. For example, if you learn Korean because you want to study in Korea, then you can join a community which more like academic Korean group. Or you learn Korean just because your favorite idols, then you can join the fans communities. So for the other languages, the same. Whatever your interests are, join the community and start to connect with others. Let you realize you are not alone in this language learning journey. After that, you are on the way to activate the next need, achievement of esteem needs. I don't know what the language means to you, but I didn't think too much at the beginning and I just started to go through with it. But one of my tutors told me, language is just a tool. You need to use this tool to solve the actual problems in your real life. If you start to use this language while you are learning, it demonstrates the competence and the accomplishment, leading to the feelings of self-worth and the respect from others. I never thought about learning a language is waste my time, even though I just have a really limited time where I have a full-time job and make a YouTube video in the meantime. Because being able to communicate effectively in different languages can open up your opportunities of your personal, your professional growth and further boost your self-esteem, and I can't see any drawbacks of learning it. You will get more dopamine through this and you are unstoppable. The final stage is self-actualization. Language learning can be driven by the pursuit of self-actualization, the realization of one's full potential. There is a proverb called 学无止境. This means there is never the end of learning, similar like the Japanese Kaizen mindset to keep self-growth in your entire life. Even if a language you already mastered it is your mother tongue, you still need to use it with concise, articulate, and expressible, and a deeper culture behind of this language. Learning languages allows individuals to broaden their perspectives, understand different cultures, and explore diverse ways of thinking and express their thoughts. It fosters creativity, intellectual curiosity, and personal growth, aligning with the desire to become the best version of yourself. Maslow's hierarchy is mainly from a psychological view for research regarding self-growth and social work, but I also found this is perfectly to match the language learning. I hope you can learn from this video and keep learning to be who you want to be. If you're a cool person, I hope you can like and subscribe to this channel. That would be so cool. Thank you for watching and stay tuned, and see you in my next video.